Okie dokie. So I have here the Calimacil Mystery Adventure Box, or Adventurer's Box, whatever it is. I'm excited. So we're going to open it. Try not cut too deep because I don't know what's below the tape. Make sure that all the strings and stuff are cut because I don't want to cut myself because I've done that before and I regretted it. Alrighty. Ooh. Is this stuck to? Okay, so you open it and there's that. It says Gold Dragon's Mystery Quest Chest. And it looks like it's a box within a box. Come out! You need to come out! Yes, it is a box within a box. I had to check to see if the dog was on the bed or not. So, this is stuck like a sticker. Here it is. I have no idea what's going to be inside. We're going to find out. Gold wrapping paper. Tissue paper. Okay. Ooh. Cool. So, first we have this. I don't know what this is. It says Borchard. That's probably... Oh, here it is. Borchard 5-bag belt gray. Ooh, interesting. We have a kunai. This is cool. It's not the golden dagger as I was hoping, but I knew my chances were slim, so I am not disappointed. Tensho knife refurbished. It's okay if it's refurbished. It's a mystery box thing. It is floppy, flexible. It is a throwing implement, but still really cool. I can achieve my dreams of being in Naruto now. This looks like a potion bottle of some sort. Alchemical cork, gold. Cool. So yeah, it's just another throwing implement. Like if you want to throw like a poison bomb at someone or something. That's pretty cool. Oh, cool! Now I don't have to buy, era appropriate utensils. That's pretty cool. Ooh. It is a feathered ballpoint pen. That is actually really, really cool. Because I have an inkwell and feather pen. And, it's just like... I'm not really sure if I would want to bring that to LARP like I originally intended. But now I don't have to because I have this. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. And there's only one thing left in here. Aha! I was hoping for this. This. Potion bottle with holder. Yes. So, it is a glass bottle. Yes, it is glass with a cork. Oh, that's such a satisfying sound. Just and it's got this little belt attachment here. That is super duper cool. And that is all that is in the box. Now we're going to see what this is about. This is the belt pouch bag thingy in gray. Oh, okay. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. That is actually super handy. Wow, it actually does have 5 pockets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much space is in here? If I just open this up. Oh, okay, not bad. So I can easily fit the thing in there. Pretty good size. Oh, and it is from Mythalon. Yeah, I can speak English. It's fine. But yeah, so that was what was inside my Calimacil Golden Dragon Mystery Adventurers box. Overall, super duper cool. I can't wait to incorporate some of this stuff into my costuming, and yeah, we'll see you later.